looks asleep.
Is he dead or alive?
He's alive.
He just looked at you. So push on him. Yep, just pull. Good job.
You just gonna put him in the woods?
How did it even get in? Because all of these holes are small.
No, the chicken coop. Mom, we're keeping them in.
You want to use this guy? Yep, now lift up. Grab by the tail. You have a glove. Don't worry. Grab by the tail.
You can grab by the tail.
Isn't he just gonna wobble around?
Yo, what the John?
He's just gonna like.
Dad's gonna go.
Watch it, watch it.
Ozzy's gonna try to cook. He broke his legs.
You better got.